Welcome to my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai, and today I want to share with you a recipe which is also one of my favorite, that is murtabak, instant noodle. So let's see the ingredients. Instant noodle, capsicum, onion, bird chillies, egg, minced meat, curry seasoning, salt, pepper, oil, water. First, I'm going to boil my instant noodle. I'm going to chop the onion, cut it into cubes. And put this aside. I just take half of the big onion. Cut this into cubes also. Put aside. And as usual, I like something spicy, so I'm adding in the bird chilies inside. Our instant noodle is done. You can put off the fire, and I'm going to strain this. First, I'm going to stir fry my minced meat. I'm going to add in some salt, also some seasoning. And a bit of pepper. Stir fry until it's done. First, we break the egg and whisk for a while. I'm going to add in the seasoning also here. Some salt and also pepper. Add in the beef, the onions and chilies, and finally the noodles. Mix well. And for those who don't have this instant noodle curry flavor, you can always add in some curry powder to your dish. Heat some oil, about 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to pour half of this murtabak first, because we think we can get 2 pieces. So make it brown. And you can flip this. It's done. I'm going to transfer it on a plate. Okay, I'm going to fry the balance. Actually, this instant, should I say, noodle murtabak is very popular among the students who stays in college, because it's very filling and it's very easy to do, and you can get the ingredients easily. But actually, you can change the ingredients. Besides using the minced beef, you can change to sausages or what that you have in your fridge, and even you can add in mixed veggie also. And to garnish, I have some spring onion here. And my red chillies. For garnishing, I'm going to just sprinkle some of my minced meat just now that I fried. And also my spring onion here. And to brighten up, I have my red chillies. Here, my instant noodle murtabak is ready, and it's very simple and very fast to cook. And for those who wish to try, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai, and press the bell button.